In this video, I'm going to show you the personal heat map feature in Strava. So from the home page here, I'm going to go up and click on Maps at the top. And here's my local area. So if you zoom out, we've got all of these dark blue lines. It's just the heat map, the global heat map. So it shows you where lots of other people are riding. But below that we've got my heat map. So I'm going to global heat map, and then underneath it is a subscriber only feature. But if you click on that, you can actually see everywhere that you've ridden with Strava. So it shows you obviously the darker red ones here are my normal training loops. I used to live over in Staffordshire, so there's lots of red over here as well. You can see there's Lansdowne John O'Groats going up there. Those of you who are familiar with the London to Paris bike ride, there we go, all the way down to Paris. And a couple of years ago we launched Paris to Geneva, so that's that line there. Coast to coast Italy, Marseille to Cannes, loops around Girona, Pyrenees coast to coast. So if you zoom out and out and out, you can see all the different places that you've ridden. Very, very cool feature.